Hello, this is Dr. Hanson with Live Trade Signals here on Forex TV, going through the morning recap, what's going on in the currency markets today, and what we can expect to come in the following week. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over and start with my euro-dollar chart and walk everybody through what went on in terms of last week, in terms of the trading range, and how we're shaping up going into the morning. So over to my euro-dollar chart. And on my daily euro-dollar chart, what I'd like to point out to everyone is the different moving averages that I have on the chart. The red line is my 50 period. The yellow line is my 100 period. And the green line is my 200 period. So as we can see, we're definitely consolidated towards the bottom of the ranges. I'm just going to go ahead and add some support lines in here in order to draw everybody's attention to this basing formation that we have forming right here within our charts, which should pretty much be capping ourselves with this risk aversion that's coming on and everybody waiting for how the Greece debacle is going to play out during this coming week. So a fairly consolidated range that we see in the euro dollar that we should see continuing throughout the week. This is only Monday. We've had 2 news releases so far this morning, but nothing really spectacular to talk of so far. Switching down, just bringing up my 60-minute chart, everyone. And as we can see, nice, stable ranges coming through here. Plenty of price movement. Coming through. So what I would expect is gradual moves to the upside today and then falling back down within this channel. The channel being from roughly $1.35 up to $1.37, and we should see this consolidated movement throughout much of the week. Moving over to my pound sterling now. Once again, what we've seen in the pound sterling, notice this huge downtrend. And now we're just starting to see this consolidation on the daily chart. We should see hopefully a bounce off of this range and the Great British Pound to trade within this narrow channel of $1.50 to roughly $1.53 throughout these ranges. Keeping in line with that strong positive correlation that it has within the euro, we should see it continue to consolidate within those ranges. Aussie dollar getting a little bit more movement. As we can see on the daily here, we're now in the middle of our ranges in terms of the moving averages. Once again, we have crossed over the 50 period moving average. We've just crossed over the 100. And still far above the 200. So the Aussie dollar has been continuing that strong upward momentum. However, we still see it even on the daily chart now, starting to consolidate slightly. Now, what I'm expecting for the coming week is for the euro to pretty much stay pegged within the trading range of $1.35 up to $1.37. Some slight moves slightly above that range, maybe peaking into 138 territory, but I think that the bulk of the movement this week is going to come between $1.35 and $1.37. We should see those tight ranges consolidate throughout the week. Thank you. This has been Todd Hanson with Live Trade Signals for Forex TV.